Hello, my people. How una dey? Host una dey fine. My people, when I see this video where it be say e dey this background, so now Mokife is really the Naija. When I see this video, I say maybe e don't go, e don't come back. E just post am make people for see say e go Naija. E never come back, oh my people, e still dey Naija. E Kotisegos Ugbo don dey call am. E dey look for am. I go still put the video, attach am, put for here, una go watch am. So this Orion back, e come bold go Nigeria. E not be even Nigeria, e go Edo State, e go our Edo State. Upon everything wey be say e do, e can't get that mind to say if he go, e don dey ride, e don dey hide dey go now. E don dey hide up and down. I go still bring another video come where be say don dey talk and say body yẹn e wan come run go back. E matter. Ugbe ni your turn now where you agwa sell na so e be. Upon everything where you talk, you go say you go get that mind to go house. You wan come still go hotel do no baje, you go come go there. I might be yourself even your own papa self. Wetin you talk, wetin you do, e no fit do am. You say unwo wey gbe make you show yourself. As far as say you dey for that Edo State now, according to you, because this video na record na e record and post am, but him don still do live video to show say yes, he really dey Nigeria. But we no come know now whether na Edo State he come dey now, or maybe he run go Ugbo State, or he run go, we no come know where he run go now, because Kotisegos Ugbo he don dey look for am. He say if he know say he get mind, make he come out. Make he come out, make he just both come and say, see where I dey. Now, if you know, say really say you get mind, why you not talk where you dey? As in dey here now, Ogbalegbe just dey follow am dey waka. Can you imagine? If really say Obaseki na owie do, owie sese no, then they mock you now. I very Ogbalegbe now for where? Oma no doze very oni. They know they give am Ogbalegbe, make they guide down. Hey, my people, I go gist una for the other next video. Make una come here. He said the Ogbalegbe for where be say they follow and they waka. They don't remove two for his side. So now he come dey fear. Amade we no walk and walk ga. So far no miakwaru no mo ya gwe. Na so it be. You see your life now, monkey face. If you not there for live video, you know why Nigeria, you go to talk with you not supposed to talk. See you now for your land. Now you they run up and down. They carry Ogbalegbe, they carry soldier, they follow body. Now so people say they go. When you go, you need to free. See my land though. You go open body, sit down as you like. Sleep the time when you say want. Not be when you go the find soldier where go they follow you up and down because of say wagbeni your talk. Why do you wear your agua sell? My brothers and sisters, please send me to love and like this video. I go even put this video more than listen to wait till you talk to all those people. Say make them vote for Obaseki, person where they bring come.
Right, my I have been Arbam.
Wana ni nyoma na hayari wunya hawa sauki agba waredi me idi wuni me ije no sunu da we amu me bie wa ya ajo go je we na do ni ku wa kwa ya wuti na ti wa ya se go wa ile obi ale ni be ti ato Obaseki no ato Obaseki ato pe wa se governor Obaseki ato pe
I want to pick my color or start your car right now. Oh, you can't say boss, don't come. I call you, you know, I call you, you the party. About double.
They say I know if come Nigeria.
I wait till
I say I know they see which kind life be this. Oh, everybody go to Odion Way house. More people go to Odion Way house. Mommy, God bless you. I am going to make sure Ute community, also community, between this 1 month I did in Nigeria, everybody is friends.
Also, Baba, Baba is there. Hey,
I'm a bad person. Mama, the bad person. Mama, enter me, see me the carry you come. No worry, Mama. Mama, I know. Now me come. I know same person come. No worry. I come by myself. Enter me. Oh, yeah, I want to get happy. I have no day.
Yes, I don't want to go.
I have a deal back there. No, this year. I don't know who will be there.
Epa, só. Baba domo. Domo. Yes.
The reason why I come, people they spoil Obaseki me. My mom Obaseki me area. When I will talk for John with us. And everybody. One on water. I will make sure say my community benefit from the state government. So, when I listen to all those talk say this boy I be spirit. Oh, now me be okay so good. When I go there we ask.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my Ugbo people across the world. This message is strictly to Monkfi Uyi Ogiso. I saw a video of you yesterday that you were in Benin. You were in Edo State, somewhere in your village in Orion. We tried to mobilize there to see if you were actually there. But you were not, you're nowhere to be found. That is cowardness. You know what you are? You are a coward. If you know that you are a man, if you know that you are a man, That terrorist that you say you are. Eh? Tell me where I can find you. Tell me where I can see you. Eh? If you know that you are a man, tell me where I can see you. And you see what will happen to you. I'm going on social media and be making noise. You came to Edo and you are hiding. Eh? You are hiding. Coward like you. An idiot. Eh? If you are a man, tell me where to meet you. Tell me your location. Just give me your location. What happened to your colleague, the one in Urumi that they call a Joker boy? That one, at least that one will get mad past you. Because that one tells me in there for Urumi. We will come meet her for Urumi. And I went to Urumi to pick him up. Eh? That's why I will still do you. Tell me where you dey. Eh? I will come to anywhere you are in Nigeria. I will come and pick you up. Yeah? Anywhere you are in Nigeria, tell me. Even if na Cotonou you say you dey, tell me. If na Ghana you say you dey, tell me. I will come there and pick you up. I will teach you a lesson you will never forget in a hurry. Go and ask that Urumi boy what happened to him the night we went there to pick him. Eh? You idiot. They go social media, they talk, say they make noise. If you be mad, tell us where you dey. Where you dey. If you be mad, say, see where I dey, make una come. And so that you and your co-travelers will understand. We are not here to play. We are here to protect our throne. You dey hear? That thing una say una know, we know and pass una 1,000,000 times. May God punish you. They go to show videos, they hide. Even if you have 200 or 2,000 policemen guiding you, I will come and pick you up. You are a bastard. Don't worry, I will meet you.